Hello everyone, today we will begin to study the development of currency in China. I'm your instructor in this class. Before we start, I want to tell you a small story about myself. When I was a primary student, I always spent all my summer vacation in my grandma's hometown. One day I found some special and strange metals under the bed. I have never seen them before, but it looks like the modern coins. It is rotundity, but it has a square hole. I ask my grandma, what's this? She tells me that these valuable metals are the money before 2000 years. I feel unbelievable and amazing. After that, I'm interested in how ancient people exchange and create money for their daily life. So today, I want to introduce the development of currency in China. Okay, here is our outcome for this class. After you taking this class, you will be able to describe the main concepts of class. Secondly, you need to compare and contrast the differences between modern currency and ancient currency. Then you will be able to evaluate which currency you prefer in modern daily life and explain why. Also, critical thinking and creative ability is required to finish your homework and group discussion. For this class, I hope you can find 5 classmates to join in one group, because I will post 5 questions before class, and you need to communicate with your classmates online and write down your answer, and then post your answer in the website. All of these questions are the basic concepts of class. I want to find the answer by discussion to help you preview and be ready to find the correct answer during class. Additionally, your answer will help me to collect which aspects you are unfamiliar with, and I will pay more attention on that. Before people created the currency, they used the goods to exchange. For example, if they want some meat, they need to pay the equivalent value of other goods to exchange. However, with the increasing of exchange amount, barter market cannot satisfy demand of people. So, ancient people created cowrie shell to be the earliest form of currency used in China about 4,000 years ago. Cowrie shell opens the monetary age. However, the disadvantage of this is that in the inner land, it is difficult for people to find enough cowrie shell to exchange. Thus, the substitution of cowrie shell currency appears. People use bone, wood, and stone to produce new currency. After prehistorical period, bronze shell occurs. Before 3,000 years ago, people changed materials from natural sources to produce currency. However, the disadvantage of this kind of shell is that different states have different shape for this. There are 3 different shapes of bronze shell. First is the spade coins, and you can see in the picture, it looks like the spade. And also, qi state, zhao state, and yan state, they are used to use knife coins. Additionally, Chu state used ant-nose coins. After Warring State period, copper coins appears. Before 2,000 years ago, this is the first time that Chinese people unified to use copper coins by Qing country. The disadvantage of this kind of coins is that it is too heavy to hold. However, after 1,000 years, the Southern Song dynasty changed to use lead or iron coins in China. Before 1,000 years, paper currency being produced. This is the first time for modern currency appears. However, there is no uniform standard for currency. This paper currency is personal produced. In the Republic of China stage, most of people use silver coins. After that, People's Republic of China now use this kind of RMB. This is the 5 turning points of currency in China. This simple map is useful for you to do your own maps. After this class, you need to hand in your concept map. You can use this simple map and add more details on that. The post-assessment for this class is 300-word paper. You need to compare and contrast the differences between these currencies and evaluate which currency you prefer for daily life and explain why. You need to use many examples to prove your viewpoints. This paper will require 20% of your homeworks. Summary: 5 turning points of Chinese currency is very important, and this is the main concept in this class. Additionally, learning the development of currency in China helps to understand the history of China. Question for all: how Chinese currency development influenced Asia currency? You can search in the internet to find the answer and think about it.